Welcome to At Your Pace Online's 40-hour pre-license course for Florida health insurance. We'll cover a variety of topics as we go through the course, but for this lesson, we'll start with the types of policies available in health insurance. In this lesson, we'll explore each type of policy, starting with disability income insurance. From there, we'll go over accidental death and dismemberment, and then move on to medical expense insurances, covering things like major medical policies, health maintenance organizations, preferred provider organizations, and other plans, and health savings accounts. After that, we'll go over Medicare supplement policies, otherwise known as Medigap, group insurance, including COBRA, and long-term care insurance. As we mentioned later in the course, long-term care insurance is not only for those 65 and over. We'll cover who this form of insurance is for and how it's best used for them in this lesson. An important consideration are riders that may be added to insurance policies in order to alter the coverage under the contract. There are literally dozens of different riders that can be attached to a policy for the benefit of the client, and we're going to detail some of the more important riders that may be added to a policy. It's important to spend extra time in the group insurance section of the lesson. We'll look at how group plans are issued, the types of groups that are eligible for group benefits, the underwriting involved, and coverage options commonly seen in these policies. As a general rule, group insurance provides better coverage than most individual medical or disability policies. This is primarily due to state laws, the Affordable Care Act, and the fact that the majority of insureds are covered by group benefits. To finish, we'll cover other types of policies such as dental, vision, and cancer to round out the study topic. At first, it's going to feel like a flood of information. To help smooth out the experience, we'll break down these complex policies into manageable chunks. There are also in-text questions after each major section to help you retain some of the most important bits of information. We've got a lot ahead of us. When you're ready, we'll begin.